Evening, Grumpy Monkey Garage viewers. Today we've got this stupid thing over here called a 2x4 holding our trunk open. So we're going to show you how to replace these trunk struts. So not hard, you'll just need a couple of tools. Flathead screwdriver, maybe a small pick, or maybe you just have some wicked strong finger strength, but I'm going to show you how to do it now. What I want to do is find this little indention right here. Now once you find that, you just kind of pry up on this. Trying to hold the camera and work. Just pry up on this guy. And then once he's out like that, you just... There's something here. Sometimes they fight you. There we go. So what I was showing you is you got this band right here. There we go. You pop that band off and you can snap it off. And it's the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to do that while I'm not holding the camera so I can do it with two hands and show you how to put the new one on. Alright viewers, once you get it off, side with the sleeve, this side, goes in here and you just click it right on. Oh, I think my hand blocked you. Let's try it this way. It's up one in. Just raise it up. And you just click it on. Just kind of hammer them in. You take your 2x4 down. Voila. Now it holds itself up.